Okay, in my previous videos, I looked at distance and displacement, vector and scalar in Kinematics A. In Kinematics B videos, I looked at the difference between speed and velocity, and I also showed you how to convert from kilometers per hour into meters per second. So check those videos out. In this video, I'm just going to solely talk about acceleration. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is the measure of the rate at which an object changes. It may be positive, which means that it's speeding up, or negative as it's slowing down. So this tells us how much of the velocity changes per second. It's usually measured in meters per second, or meters per second minus 2. It also occurs when the direction of travel changes and is a vector quantity, so a direction must be stated. Now I've got a formula here, and this formula is going to be repeated in another video later on, but for this sole purpose, we're just looking at acceleration. Some people may have seen this formula as V equals u+at, and this is the formula where it's rearranged to just give us acceleration. So we have V minus u over t. Now if you ask me what V is final velocity, u is initial velocity, and t is time taken. Okay? So let's have a look here at a question. A rock falls from rest. Its speed when it hits the ground 5 seconds later is 49 meters per second. Calculate its acceleration. So a rock falls from rest, u equals 0. Its speed when it hits the ground is 49 meters per second, which is v, its final speed, and its t is 5 seconds, which is given in the question. So it's pretty straightforward. So if you got v minus u over t will give us acceleration. And if you got 49 minus 0 divided by 5, the answer is 9.8 meters per second. And that's how to calculate acceleration. So it's pretty straightforward to find acceleration, but you may use this formula to find time, final speed, or initial speed, and it's just manipulating the equation on how you need to. And we'll do that in the following videos.